Hey there, Geminis. Welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good. This is your July month reading regarding your money, career, and finances, and it will be a general reading. It may resonate you or may not. Please take those messages what resonates you and leave the rest. Let's start your reading, Geminis, regarding your money, career, and finances. First card is Eight of Swords. Temperance, Queen of Pentacles, one more card, Two of Swords. Okay. Underneath the deck you are having the Moon. Okay, Geminis, you are in a confusion, some kind of confusion, because something happened in your workplace scenario. It's like that it's a big organization, multinational organization maybe, or you are working over it, but you are confused. You are thinking which is not exist about this company or whatever it is, because something happened with you. You are very much anger over something, or you left your job unexpectedly. Something happened unexpectedly with you in your company, or maybe the company is going in loss, like this kind of situation. Money is very much when you maybe a loss of money. Something happened in your company or workplace scenario, so you are very much confused. Maybe you are confused that this loss will not recover, whatever loss you are going through. Maybe you lost your job unexpectedly. If it's not a company loss, it's like that you lost your job, or you are very much confused that this loss will, whatever you lost in your job, is it will not recover. So you are just thinking it, and you are in a negative thoughts about this scenario, what is going on with you in your workplace right now. So you have to clear your mind. You have to make yourself emotionally balanced. So you have to be patient. You should not think negative about whatever scenario it is going on. You are going on right now. You have to be positive. You should not be think that it cannot happen, it will not recover, and it will not recover. You will not get job. If you lost your job, you will not get job. So it's not like that. You are exaggerating, you are exaggerating things, and this is not the scenario. So you should not think negative. Come out from this negativity, and you try to come out from this bondage, whatever you have build around you. So you have to be patient. Should make your balance within your mind, heart, and soul. So you will be patient. So, and if you remain positive regarding whatever scenario it is, if it's a company loss, or if it's your job loss, or you lost your job because of some unexpected thing, maybe clash with your bosses, like this. So, or maybe lack of money, like your money situation was not good, your salary scale was not good. So you have to be patient. Things will be fine. You come out from this negativity, things will be fine. If you stay in this position or company or whatever the job is, you will get the position of your desire. Maybe you ask for some position or your increase in your salary, but company is not in a position, or they are not giving you right now whatever you are asking for. So you are getting heartbreak, or maybe it's like that you are in a good position, but something happening around you uh, which is not acceptable for you. So you are exaggerating things are not getting better for you. You are working hard, you are in a high position, but you are not getting the reward like that. So you are not getting reward which you deserve. You are not getting that reward, so you have to be patient. This is your negative thoughts. You will come out from this. So so you have to be patient. You will get you should not be get this that much heartbroken. So let's see what is the advice for you, Geminis. Ace of Cup. Definitely, if you make your emotions balanced, if you have patience, so something new will come out for you, which will be emotionally fulfillment for you. So maybe you will get what you want, and it's like that. This whatever the situation is, you are uh, your heart is breaking because of some emotional issues, or you are getting very much cold, or taking very much harsh decision here, or your job is to communicate. You are in a marketing field, or maybe in a sales, or it's like that something is offering you of your desire, but you are not taking it. You are not interested to take it. If you should not you if you not if you don't take this offer, if you don't take things emotionally over you, it's like that you are taking things in your emotion. You are getting very much emotions here. You are in so you should not be emotionally drained in your workplace. You have to work logically. You have to work logically. Use your logic, use your brain, and don't put your emotions that much that it can give you heartbreak. Don't put your emotion which can give you heartbreak. So it's a advice for you here. Or you are taking some kind of decisions which is emotionally not fulfilling some people around you in your workplace. So you have to be patient. Things will be in your favor if you be positive, remain positive, and be patient. So Geminis, that was your reading for the month of July regarding your finances, money, and career. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.